So friend, this is my online Nettech Blue Sky channel. In this my video, I will show you new type of series, new type of Windows 11 related. I'm giving information. So my last other playlist very important for you because this is a different access courses available in my channel, and you can learn about advanced and basic knowledge about computer network, computer hardware, Windows 7, how can you use the computer, how complete your increase in knowledge for computer related video everything. So today I'm showing you Windows 11. So Microsoft company new operating system introduced new OS Windows 11 release, and in this time what is the difference Windows 10 in Windows 11. So let's start and understand these Windows 11 features and different type of important settings for the settings and extra. Okay, so I will continue in Windows 11. So let's start this video. So before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online Nettech channel and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video, so you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video, so you can see this is a very important for you. And you visit my other playlist, you can see Windows 7 the basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created, what is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I'm
this is a my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So you can see here this is a Windows 11 type of a new looking and new designing with the new features available in Windows 11. So this is created by Windows Microsoft company through, and Windows operating system 11. Okay, so you want to change Windows 11, you want to install, so I will show you one by one in a video step by step. So in this my video I am showing you how to use Windows 11 first and introduce what is inside this Windows 11 available features and the different type of what changing. So Windows 11 changing only 95% same Windows 10 related, but 5% only changing Windows 11 look and desktop and different type of features. So Windows 11 inside. You can see here I'm just one by one showing you what same features are available in Windows 10 and Windows 11. But some features new tab added in Windows 11. So Windows 11 same works as Windows 10 same time as just like you are open start menu, you can open your apps, you are install Microsoft Store from any other apps you want to need as you want. Okay. So second is very important for you want to install Windows 11. So you want to you have must purchase CD DVD Windows 11. Either you can create a bootable pen drive through and install your Windows 11 in your computer. Okay. So this is one type of different type of available in Windows 11. Second is a design and look new different type of look available in Windows 11. So design is one type of new features available, new design and new look available in Windows 11. Okay. So it is one type of a different creator try to Microsoft company. Okay. So this is one type of designing and creating applications and some Microsoft file explorer changing some new look. Okay, and the third is changing some control panel icons. So some other features available in new type of Windows 11. Okay, just like widgets and different type of notifications areas. So Windows 11 available. Okay. Third point is the Windows 11 App Store, Microsoft App Store. Already you know about Windows 11 Microsoft App Store, Windows 11. So create a Microsoft account and install Windows apps. So this is the one type of Microsoft App Store and installation. 3D technology app available in Windows 11 Windows 11 features. Okay, inbuilt some applications available Windows 11 by when you install installation time already built in computer. Okay. Fourth is a very important default application work while installation or standard application. Some application already company through some software company through already installation time automatically install in a computer, just like Paint, Notepad, and different type of Paint. So it's one type of a different you can install already. This is a default application from Microsoft company through. Okay. Six is a computer high graphics system and task view, just like Linux operating system. So I'm discuss this time what is a task view. So task view is a technology come from Linux company through. Task view means virtual desktop. You can set create one type of different type of work virtuality. Multitask one type of one in one desktop area side. So you want to create new file, open new software, so you can change your tasks desktop from your system through. And computer high graphics system already. Okay. So this is a very important understand about you want Windows 11 use. So minimum 4 GB your RAM and computer CPU Core i3 very important. Okay, and third is a virtualization system on your computer. Okay, either you cannot completely start and not work Windows 11. So how this possible? So I will show you in different type of next time. Okay, but this time is a why graphics card is system add, because Windows 10, Windows 8, okay, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. Already Microsoft company tried to best graphical designing through created one type of very cool type of features, very cool type of designing, looking and working, especially to some office and home using a user home user. So this reason create a Windows 11 Microsoft company to important depend on your machine and configuration your hardware. So this is a very important understand about your requirement. Okay, so first you want to completely virtualize support your motherboard and 7th generation 8th generation motherboard is important. Okay, so what is the motherboard, how motherboard work, and I've already created a playlist in computer hardware video. Okay, so visit my playlist computer hardware video. What is the motherboard and how motherboard work, I already told you. Okay, so find the motherboard video and you can learn about the motherboard system. 7 point is Windows 11 settings, Windows system work. Okay, so Windows 11 setting same as it is Windows 10. So watch, I'm already created a Windows 10 setting related video playlist. Okay, visit my Windows 10 setting playlist. First watch that playlist, and after watch this Windows 11 setting, and I will create in some time a Windows 11 how to set in your computer and some tricks I'll show you. Okay, so setting is a very important for your computer and the computer related your process, your communications, your features, your process and different work in your computer. So this is a very important for how you work your computer, how you are you want to some result very graphically and access, and you want some start features. So setting is very important. So how you set your computer and different type of working your computer. Okay, so this is a very important. 8 is the same as it is a pin password technology. Okay, picture password technology same as it is Windows 10 related. So you are watching already my Windows 10 related everything video in my channel. So completely understand what is a pin password and what is a password picture. Okay, so other server technology created and other new type of Windows Microsoft company created Windows Server technology, Windows Server 2016. I will create a new playlist. I will uh, show you how you learn about Windows Server technology. And the second new creative Windows Server 2019 technology, server technology. This is a server operating system. Okay, not a client based operating system. What is a server technologies? What is a server client OS? I will show you in server technology server playlist. Okay, but not now this time. So come to me. Microsoft account technology important. Okay, so Microsoft account you have OS application, some services very important. So without your Microsoft account, you can some features your some feature not start, because Microsoft account you must need. Without Microsoft account you cannot on your some features. Okay, so why this type of feature not allow Microsoft company? Because Microsoft company already some marketing and some features for specialty for created and different type of different looking and different usable operating system settings. So this reason you want to first Microsoft account, open Microsoft Store app and create your app Microsoft account. So you have must very high level type of graphics motherboard. Second is your RAM, very important. Third is your CPU. I will show you in next video what is the requirement in Windows 11, but this time I am showing you only what is the Windows 11 have different type of quality of and services and features available in Windows 11. Okay. 11 point is this is a Windows activate, very important. Without product key you cannot some feature not start, and this is a Windows activate product key on type of purchase your Windows 11. Okay, I am not using a pirated operating system. I am not using without it activate system. Okay, because some viruses added, some hacker, this is a very behind side problem creator and maybe hack your data and not perfectly you can start your computer sometime restart again to again, and this reason you can not completely perfect perform in your computer. Okay, 12 is a Windows 11 computer icon file explorer is a very different type of created, very changing here. Okay, icon file explorer one type of changing uh, computer and computer side, and right click you can new type of start one type of different type of options available. Second is a terminal system new type created. Okay, what is a terminal? Okay, terminal changing new type of terminal system new create. And third is a window style system new created Windows 11. Okay, window style. So what is window style and how you looking your Windows operating system, and some features you you can start your computer. And command prompt is one type of different type of some features changing command prompt, and some features added, but 98% same as it is all of Windows operating system command prompt same workout. Okay, so this is a very important for you want to first understand about Windows 11. Okay, and after next time I will show you what is a Windows 11 requirement, very important for you. Either you cannot start Windows 11. Okay, so what is the Windows 11 features, and you want to learn about Windows 11. So Windows 11 you can see here, this is a Windows 11, and you want first you want to learn about Windows 11 features available for computer. Okay, so this is a very important minimum requirement, very important for your Windows 11 system. So next time I will continue Windows related. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Any comments, so you can comment me. Okay, and I will give you answer. Okay, in 5 days, 24 hours. Okay, and any question, so you can ask me. Visit my other playlist and increase your knowledge computer related. Okay, so I'm already created a computer hardware related basic video, advanced video, and some network related videos I'm already created. Okay, this is very important and helpful for your increase your knowledge and how you start your career, in very important for your some very high level type of knowledge. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on bell icon for new notification, new when I'm upload new video, so don't miss. So this reason click on bell icon and click on subscribe button. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.